Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am donating money to this group organization in Zambia, Africa. They are working on solar cooking projects, and basically, just for a couple bucks, you can really help them out a lot. And the reason that this is important is that solar cooking is free energy. It's not solar panels, it's not batteries, it's direct conversion of radiation to energy, and it makes people's lives so much easier. We don't really think about it here in the United States, but the ability to cook food on the fly without having to start a fire, collect firewood, and a bunch of other things just makes things so much easier. So just donate a couple dollars to this organization. It's through GoFundMe, so the processing payments really easy. You don't have to worry about hackers or anything like that. So yeah, just donate a couple bucks and let's help these people out in Zambia, Africa. All right, thanks for the attention here.